Good day, everyone. Jeff here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and today we are standing on an Aviara AV32 stern drive. Massive swim platform here, big old lounger, convertible seating. You can set this up and configure it a number of different ways. Another touch that Aviara has is our bumper storage coming through on the transom. 32-foot long, nice big wide boat. Trash can here, cooler, sink, wine storage, massive storage up underneath all the seats. Cooler storage here, cooler storage there, more storage underneath, beautiful Corian tops. We've got joystick controls and the electronic binnacles, auto trim, of course, traditional Aviara fashion, your digital controls. Down here we've got a nice, large, deep, spacious head. And then the ultimate bow up front with access to your windlass. So here we are, Aviara AV32. My name is Jeff here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, 573-606-3035. Have a great day.